Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adam Muhammad bin Masadi from class laboratory at 3A, subject mathematics, code subject DUM30162. First, I want to explain a little bit about introduction in our assignment. We choose obesity, which using the variable BMI. Obesity among university students has become a growing concern in recent years. Many students tend to gain weight during their time at university, with some even becoming obese. This can have significant negative impacts on their health and well-being, as well as their academic performance. There are several factors that contribute to obesity among university students. One of the main reasons is the unhealthy diet that many students have. With busy schedules and limited budgets, students often resort to fast food, processed snacks, and sugary drinks, which are high in calories and low in nutritional value. Additionally, many students tend to skip meals or eat irregularly, which can also contribute to weight gain. Next, problem statement. As citizens in Malaysia, we would like to do mock study and make a report about obesity among university students. As a result, we had collected sample 150. This data is consisting students in University Malaysia Sabah. This is also possess data from the existing of each members of our group and opinions from our lovely lecturer, Madam Zuraifa. Next, we also use internet to access data about the frequency of obesity among students at University Malaysia Sabah and the factors that contribute to obesity among them. Conclusion.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Abdul Latif. I'm going to explain the next step, which is calculation. The first calculation is mean. By using formula total fx divided by total frequency, we get 28.804 for mean. The next calculation is mode by using formula lower boundary plus d1 over d1 plus d2 times c. We got 26.7 for mode. The third calculation is median. By using this formula, we got 25.08 for median.
Assalamualaikum, and my name is Mahzumi Ul Hakim, and we continue with finding variance and standard deviation. So we use this theoretical formula, theoretically, to find the variance, standard, and standard deviation. So we just put the data from table we got in this formula, and we just got the answer here. And same goes to standard deviation. And standard deviation, and just put the square root of the answer here and square root of variance, and we got the standard deviation. So we can see the difference in the value for the calculation and in the Excel. It is because by the data that the Excel use, maybe it used the raw data, while we use the table data for theoretical. And same goes to the standard deviation. It will affect because of the variance. That's all.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Adam Muhammad bin Masadi from class laboratory 3A, subject mathematics and code subject DUM 30162. Okay. We are going to tell about salah. We are going to explain about patient. Assalamualaikum. My name is Adam Muhammad bin Masadi from class laboratory 3A, subject mathematics, and code subject DUM30162. Lecturer, Madam Zuraifa. Um, Today we are going to explain a little bit about obesity, which are using variable BMI. Okay. We would like to do a mock study and make a report about obesity, which are using variable BMI among university students. As a result, we had collected sample N 150. This data is consisting students in University Malaysia Sabah. This also process data from the existing of each members of our group and opinions from our lovely lecturer. Next, we also use internet occurs data about the frequency of obesity among students at University Malaysia Sabah and the factors that contribute their obesity among them. This mock study involving all students from our observation, we observe the number of students that are experiencing weight problems and obesity. At the same time, we also ask opinion and make research through the internet about the effective way to eradicate this problem among the students. From this statement, it brought us to the main purpose of our research is to understand the cause of occurrence of obesity among students at University Malaysia Sabah.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Abdul Latif. The first step for this assignment is to get 150 random data for BMI. So we have to get random data BMI 18.0 until 40.0. So the formula that we are going to use is when between in a column 180, 400 slash 10 to get one decimal point. We have to highlight 150 box and click enter. It will automatically generate 150 random data for us. The next step is after we got 150 random data, you have to make a range for BMI. For example, this in what? For example, the first column in this table. After that, you have to find the frequency for each row for this BMI. The formula that we are going to use is count ifs and select 150 random data that we got earlier and just click enter. It will automatically generate all the frequency for all of this BMI for us. The third step is to get cumulative frequency by using formula sum and highlight all of this frequency, and it will help us calculate the cumulative frequency automatically.
Okay, we now continue to find the midpoint, fx and fx squared. So for our midpoint, we just need to list down the lower limit and upper limit, then just need to divide by 2 by using this formula. Right? E15, you just select the column E15 plus F15 and you need to divide by 2. Then just drag the data down until the last class size. So that's how we got our midpoint. So for fx and fx squared, you just need to use some function like as we can see here, sum x. So this means frequency needs to multiply by a midpoint. So that's how we got our fx. And same goes to fx squared. We need to do the same thing and just drag down the formula. Kenapa dia macam ni? And we continue to state the deviation and variance, but there is like problem here since we are using group data. So in our Excel, when we use this formula std_s, it may take the raw data of the data lah. Raw data tu data. Raw data. And as we can see here, it affected the variance too. So we can see the difference by using theoretical calculation with formula. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hakim University. I want to show you all how to find the mode in Excel. First, you should write the formula in this box. After you write the formula, yours can get the new answer for your mode from this data. Next, the median. How to find the median in the Excel? First, you should write the new formula for median. After that, you write the formula and then you press the enter for get the new answer for median. Lastly, how to find the average? Average, you should write the new formula for average and then yours can drag the data from A to Z and then you press the enter at this box. After you press the enter and then you get the new answer for average. Thank you. After that, we created this histogram graph, and this the new formula for graph. That's all.